walking autonomous robots with and without head, with and without legs, mimics all the movement of the operator. Humanoid max manufacturing. And this is a sad guy in a hat. Communication between robots. Robotics preparing real ice cream for you. Luggage solutions. Gorgeous big guy. It's customized and styled like a Wally. Full mock-up of smart city. Ping pong challenge with robots. So this is like a scorpion. Cleaning toilets. This is nice. Lawn mowing robot. The first 3D printing of this one, 4X one, or even dinosaur. It's Google Gemini Formula F1 car. Okay, folks. So looks like today is last day of CES 2026. It's Friday. We're going to finish our overview of exhibitions. We have 2 halls left, North and Russian extra exhibition. So fingers crossed, we are not going to stuck for a long time as it happened like previous days. A lot of things to see, a lot of things to do. So that's our plan, and if we succeed, we may have additional overview of some interesting digital art experience in different places, not related to CES. Stay tuned, guys. And it was tough days regarding like covering all the things. It's an incredible amount of things to film, record, process, digest. Yeah, hope you like it, hope it will make sense. Other than that, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your help, assistance, for subscribing to us, for liking us, definitely leaving comments. And again, this is very critical and crucial support you can give us. Thank you so much. We do it for you, we love you, and never stop creating. See you guys soon. Okay, what else we have here is extant sports equipment. Okay, more robotic hands, so you see it's controlling the puppet. Strings. Very nice. This is how it's constructed. Technology behind the scene. More hands used to more specific tasks. Very interesting. And this is a different weights, like 25 grams, half kilo. Okay, this is robotics, and in general they do robotics for smaller worlds, from pets to different self-driven droids, which can recognize the obstacles on the road. And these are very nice pets. Look very, very fluffy. Okay, what can you do, buddy? Oh, they can meow in. Oh, nice. More walking autonomous robots with and without head, with and without legs. Okay, very nice, very nice. A lot of stuff robotics, and some digital cameras too. I'm really impressed. You see it also acts and mimics all the movement of the operator, taking chips, waving hands. Very nice, good demo. It's very realistic and I would say very relevant experience. More robotic stuff here, more robotic hands here by Mecha, Humanoid max manufacturing. And again, sorting solutions. Okay, this is a real robotics corner. So this is implementation of the pipeline, so how they could work together. Sorting devices, handling, packing, and you see going to grab it and take it to the shelf. Okay, Humanoid piece 73, heavy duty guy. Okay, and it can lift, you see, different weights. So this is tomorrow robotics. One more dancing guy. Cool. I have dance body. Nice. And this is a sad guy in a hat doing some work. but right now he's tired. Okay, let's move forward.
Something off me, or talk robots
sister.
or whatever.
Oh, they talk to others. So this is communication between robots. Very cool, very nice. Robotics. So you see, looks very realistic. More about different robotic faces, and they can be used as receptionist assistants. Very looking good.
Want a demo of my facial expressions or to hear about my memory skills? I do more than just look pretty on a table.
More robotic hands here doing sorting and making the word. So very nice. And this is sorting activities, but not yet working, not now. Some camera devices as well. Okay, let's move forward. Portable solar panels. If you are in the nature camping, you can do it and charge core devices. Motorcycles by Compass Rose looks very interesting. I would say unique design. Not my hero, but looks very good. Interesting, at least. Oh, this one, yeah, this one futuristic, like Fallout like stuff. Okay, very good. Okay, so this is Xbot. We saw them previously, and this is the autonomous ice cream machine. These some electric bikes by Adea, smart luggage solutions, and you can ride on it. Very nice. Small motorcycles, full electric, I assume. I do, and better electric with Let's Go. So this is like cycles, motorcycles, and moving luggages. Interesting. Okay. And here also we do have Ion Ton electric bikes, more stuff. Okay, let's go here. So this is gorgeous big guy, Zero TH. Very nice, guys. It deserves like and comment. Very good. And let's check the other robots. Okay, driven, self-driven, controlled, bigger boards, smaller robotics. Look more like a toy, but still, the Android-like machines cannot on as of now. And oh, Wally, it's customized and styled like a Wally. Yeah, very nice. This is it's heavy, but yeah, interesting. And this is the interior. Quite interesting, luxurious one. Oh, nice. We have something interesting. So, hydroplane droid. So it flies above the water. Net zero future. Nice mock-up. Oh, okay. So this is full mock-up of smart city using wind energy, smart industry, Helio H2 production, hydrogen, fuel cell control center. Okay, that's nice. So this is future of food trucks. Okay, you see? Or technically not food truck. It's a vehicle. Okay, kitchen, bathroom, shower. Very big one. Yeah, you see? That's the whole size. This is real-time big data analytics. Okay, so they do processing big data. Ping pong challenge with robot. That's good. Who wins? By Sharpa. More robotics demo here. So it's like boxing match, miniature robotics, so more dexterous movements, more agile movements. We see also fighting styles. More robotics demo here. Now probably, and now it's doing thumbs up and click. Catalyst. Okay. Home assistant droids powered by media. Oh, this looks very cool. So this is like a scorpion. Hello.
Actually, our barista just made a coffee for me.
Oh, nice. This looks very good.
That's our camera robot, so like once he recognizes you, he'll follow you everywhere, and then some special movement if you want him to be very fast, then he'll
Nice.
like whatever you want to happen.
Nice. And that guy made you a coffee, right?
Yeah,
In the
just
center.
one.
Thank you so much. It'll be a coffee. Okay, they have some presentation here, lighting talk. So this is all the space dedicated to Hitachi. Here is huge, massive robotic, and this is by Siemens. This is huge, serious, industrial grade robotic hand doing everything autonomously. Imagine this is a line, assembly line in the factory. It looks very good. And I mean, like it's big one. Yeah. More mobile robotics by Pramic AI. Cleaning toilets. This is nice. Cleaning toilets, this is important. And here we have Ineos. And this is cockpit of airplane. Okay, more automotive related stuff like heated seat stuff, components, more robots here by iGo Optics. Let's see what it can do. Okay, it's doing stitching. One more smart, innovative home on the wheels, and it's incredible. Look how it can expand. It's enormously big one. And this is electric bike, but looks very futuristic. Okay, the lawn professional big one, lawn mowing robot, very big one. Okay, more electric bikes, electric scooters. Robotic hands, stylish androids, and these all the detailed components, how they assembled hands, all the gears, all the parts, metal, screws, whatever. It's very cool, interesting demo stage. Finally, the first 3D printing by MOVA, atom form, you see? And this is what was printed with it. It looks very nice and really nice colors for the components. Okay, more stuff printed with it. Looks very nice. And this is the boat by Kinetic. We are ready to go. Okay, but looks gorgeous. I'm curious what the price for it. But it's quite mid-size, small size. But looks very nice. Very good. Oh, nice. So you can do full simulation like in airplane cabin, and how detailed it is, the video, the picture. So they restart the simulation and you can fly in the plane. Okay, they have robotics and AI, robotic dogs. Okay. And see on the screen how it works, and they follow this one. Oh, quiets down. Oh, nice. It can stand up. Nice demo. Oh my gosh, Dobot. This is very cool. So these are styled robotics, and you see they are either cool colors, boxing dog, or this one, 4 legs one, or even dinosaur. Working in a store solution, and it brings you a bottle of Coke. Very nice. Hello. Innovation Hub. So you control, okay, I see. But is it only option like to control it, or it can be autonomous?
Also autonomous.
Okay,
And
nice.
we do different demonstrations.
I see how
Yeah.
flexible and smooth. Okay. Yeah, very good movements, yeah. Looks nice. Thank you guys. Okay, this is Luca World Robotics for kids, I believe. Nice. Kids assistant. This is more funny devices from Luca. You see how they react and act. Okay, very nice. And space map. Space solutions, finally.
Manages and prevents risk at home and enables new treatment discoveries in Alzheimer's research. Where will you travel within our 3D universe? Please make your selection using the device in front of you.
So you can vote using the tablet, you'll just touch where you want to go next. It's only 8 seconds, it goes pretty quickly. So go ahead and just tap. Whichever one has the most votes, that dictates where we go next.
Let's go environment.
Majority rules.
Environment financially.
We need to make it fair.
Full of silent signals. Every moment in a patient's day tells a story. A pause in the hallway, a forgotten light, a slower step than yesterday. Subtle changes in movement, lighting, temperature, or routine can reveal patterns that predict a cognitive decline or moments of risk. But data alone can't tell us why. Making sense of these subtle signals from sensors in smart homes is one of medicine's greatest challenges.
See what we have here? Nice. It's Formula F1, I believe. Bolid and power it with different stuff. I see Google Gemini sign. And yes, it's Google Gemini Formula F1 car. Looks gorgeous. Pause if you want to read. Okay, very cool. Very cool stuff.